Hello from me, Lazarus. We start with the first introductory lesson from the course paid by Creating a Website from Scratch. This course is based on my book, Building a Website from Scratch, and covers these topics that are not free to download, actually here in this part, because the first 3 chapters of it are free and uploaded to my site. We'll take a look first creating and shaping of the individual blocks in the web page. This is what the beginning is. Then here we have already positioned the main blocks in the web page. Here's exactly how we positioned them. The next lesson is about sequential shaping of the individual parts of the web page. So here we first start with the upper part, header, as we make the title, logo, and gradient, until this effect is obtained. Then we continue with the navigation, or the navigation menu. In it we have 8 tabs or buttons, let's call them, and when pressing each one of them the corresponding page will open. Then we make the sidebar, which is divided into 3 sections. Then we continue with the main content, which is divided into 4 sections. We fill them with content, as in this case I copied the contents of the first section and in the remaining 3 sections, but for you they will be different. As with me, let's say they are on my website, let's open it and see them. Here for example, here you see them, they are 4 different sections. For HTML, CSS, website, and for PHP. So, the next one is already here, the layout of the last part, footer, the lower part. Then we proceed with the layout of contact page, where is our contact form which serves as feedback to us. And so, to this point we will design our website, for now, with 2 web pages, contacts and the main one. Now, let me just say that this is an example layout for a classic website, and, of course, you will not repeat it exactly the same, but you will improvise. Somewhere you will add something, somewhere else you will remove something, by putting your idea, your element, and in general you have complete freedom to develop, upgrade and shape the site to be your own look. So, what I can say about the course is this: I will be glad if you write to me in the contact form on the site with any ideas, suggestions, recommendations, and questions about these topics. About the price of the course, I haven't determined it yet. I will have to do the video tutorials first and then to judge, but it won't be expensive. It will probably be no more than 20 to 30 euros maximum. And another thing, the course will start when I'm done with the lessons, and when I upload most of the free materials on the site. So, life and health, within 2 or 3 months, it should be done. That's all for this tutorial. Best regards.